Hello, just a few updates since we do have field day tomorrow. That is still going on as planned. We will be trying to get outside as much as possible, even though it's been a little rainy. We're going to try to stick to the areas that maybe have more solid ground so we won't get too muddy. But just a reminder, please send your child in some sort of closed-toed shoe or athletic shoe, maybe not the newest ones they have, just in case they do get wet or get in the mud a little bit, but we'll try to avoid it as much as possible. We will be changing into our tie-dye shirts in the morning after students get here. So they'll come into the classroom right when they arrive, and we're going to kick things off right at 8:45. So when that final tardy bell rings, that's when we're expected to be heading to our first station. So please make sure your students get here on time so they don't miss out on anything tomorrow. The following Monday, our super leaders have planned dress-up days for the remainder of the school year. So yes, there are quite a few. They are not required, but I will be sending home a yellow flyer just so you can kind of plan ahead for any of the days that your students would like to dress up in the final days of school. One last note, please be looking for any of the purple bags still at home. We're missing a few, and library books that might be floating around. We have just a few left, and then our class will get them all turned in, and everyone will be good to go for the summer. I'll give you more announcements and updates as they come, but we're looking forward to a fun day tomorrow.